Hi viewers, this is Nobu. Today I'd like to introduce you to a year 2002 VR-4 Legnum Turbo 5-speed manual in silver. Look at this car, really clean. It's, like I said, it's a year 2002, so it's actually a really last of the made Legnum. Non-accident car in bright silver. It has all the bits and pieces. Roof rail, rear spoiler. Comes with the overflare piece that connects to the side skirt right down to the back. Inside is that dark interior. Nice clean seats, no wall or tear. The steering wheel is very firm and no worn. Double airbag ABS with AYC. Door trims are clean. Let's have a look at the rear. Rear seat's very clean. The back comes with a tonneau cover. Comes with a big muffler. Nice sound. What else? Let's have a look at the engine. The engine is on. As you can see, there's not making any sound at all. Very quiet, very smooth engine. There haven't been any panels been renewed. The core support, the radiator support is original. No screws been taken off. End panel is all okay. Comes with a power bar. Alright, so here it was. A year 2002 Mitsubishi Legnum VR-4 Twin Turbo 5-speed manual. And this will be coming down to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.